Hello, my beautiful friends. Hope you are fine, doing well. Today we are stepping into one of the most heartwarming corner of the home, the kitchen, and tuning is into a magical Christmas wonderland because Christmas is not just about decorating is the tree or hanging lights on the porch. It's also about bringing that festive feeling into the place where we cook, bake, and share to so many beautiful moments with our loved ones. So grab your cup of cocoa and let's explore some affordable, creative, and cozy Christmas kitchen decoration ideas. Let's start by setting the tone. You don't need a lot to make your kitchen look festive, just a few small touches can transform the entire space. Try adding a Christmas table runner red and green tea towel or holding them a prawn hanging on the wall, a simple garland or string of fairy lights across your shelves or windows instantly begins warmth and sparkle. If you are if you have open shelves, tuck in a few mini pine tree candles or snowflakes ornaments between the dishes. It's all about creating that soft cozy glow that makes you smile every time you walk in. Now let's move on the some fun DIY projects. Because Christmas is not all about creativity. Try making a mason jar candle holder, fill a jar with rock salt, pine cones, and a small candle when lit. It gives a snowy magical effects. Or create your own mini wreath using geotrope or few pine branches and red ribbon, perfect to hang on cabinet door. You can even decorate your kitchen jars with burlap ribbons, tags, candy canes, simple, cheap, and so festive. If you have children, let them make little paper snowflakes or cookie ornaments to hang around the kitchen. A perfect way to spend time together. Your kitchen counter is the heart of your decoration. Try placing a chic centerpiece with Christmas candle, a mug of candy canes, and a teeny Santa figure. Suit your every to something sensational like Christmas spatulas, red measuring cups or snowflakes mugs, and if you have coffee corner, dress it up too. Add a few holiday mugs, cinnamon sticks, mushroom mellow, and peppermint. It's turn your daily coffee ritual into a cozy Christmas moment. When you're decorating, choose a theme or decoration palettes of color. If you love the traditional Christmas look, go for red, green, and gold with plate pattern. For a rustic farmhouse vibe, use burlap cones and wooden texture. If you prefer something modern, sticks to white, silver, and frosted glass. It creates that snowy winter kitchen look. You can even go bold with candy inspired decoration. Think gingerbread man, candy canes, and peppermint sweets. Whatever your style, keep it consistent throughout the space for the beautiful finished look. Sometimes it's the smallest touches that make the biggest difference. Replace your regular soap dispenser with a Christmas themed one and holiday scented candles like cinnamon, vanilla, or pine to fill the kitchen with warm aromas. Aromas hang Christmas card or photo on a string with clothespin. It's personal, nostalgic, and heartwarming. You can also hang stocking on the kitchen shelves or near your oven, specially cut if you label them for each family member or pets. As we wrap up, remember that decorating your kitchen for Christmas is not about perfection, it's about creating memories, sharing joy, and celebration togetherness. Even the simplest decoration made with love can fill your home with magic. So light those candles, bake some cookies, play your favorite Christmas song, and let your kitchen be the heart of your holiday cheers. Hope you like the video. If you like, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and amazing video. And once again, thanks for your lovely support. Keep watching, keep supporting my channel. God bless you all. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead.